In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can indicate degrees of possibility using the word class adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb or an adjective, giving us information about where, how often, or when something is done. Adverbs can also be used to show possibility. Possibility means the likelihood of something happening, and we can use a range of adverbs to show this. For example, certainly, probably, clearly, or obviously. Different adverbs of possibility can be used to indicate how likely something is to happen. For example, the adverb definitely indicates that something will certainly happen. For example, school will definitely be closed in the UK on Christmas Day. However, the adverb perhaps shows that there is less chance of something happening. Perhaps Timmy will go to the cinema on the weekend. The word definitely indicates a stronger likelihood of something happening than the adverb perhaps. Usually, adverbs of possibility are placed before the main verb. Mr. Owen definitely needed a holiday. However, if the sentence uses the verb to be, the adverb of possibility comes after it. Football is possibly cancelled tonight because of the rain. When using adverbs of possibility, the word perhaps and maybe are usually used at the beginning of the sentence. For example, maybe there will be a storm later. Let's have a look to see if we can identify some adverbs of possibility. Tick the words which are adverbs of possibility. Your words are undoubtedly, swiftly, amazingly, later, maybe, and above. Remember, we are looking for words which indicate the likelihood of something happening. Undoubtedly and maybe are both adverbs of possibility. If you look at the image, you can see the order of adverbs of possibility. The word undoubtedly indicates a stronger likelihood of something happening than the word maybe. Well done if you recognise that the other words are also different types of adverbs. Swiftly and amazingly are adverbs of manner, and later is an adverb of time, and above is an adverb of place. Hoo-yah! Now let's look at the next question. You are going to circle the adverbs which indicate possibility in the sentences. A. The children should clearly be wearing wellies outside if it is wet. B. Anya was obviously upset about something as she was crying. C. Sammy has probably got the biggest collection of lion toys in the school. Pause the video and press play when you are ready. How did you get on? Remember, we are looking for adverbs that indicate the likelihood of something happening. In the first and second sentences, the word clearly and obviously show that there is a strong certainty about something happening. The word probably in the third sentence indicates that there is less certainty. There is some doubt indicated about whether Sammy has the biggest collection of lion toys in school. Hoo-yah! For our final activity, you are going to select an adverb of possibility from the words which will be provided to add to the following sentences. Your words are perhaps, definitely, possibly, maybe, and probably. A. Monday comes before Tuesday, and B. We can build a sandcastle when we visit the beach. Pause the video and press play when you are ready. How did you find that? Firstly, let's look at the first sentence. The only adverb of possibility that will work in this sentence is definitely. It is the only option listed which shows certainty, and we will know without any doubt that Monday comes before Tuesday. In the second sentence, the adverb of possibility is missing at the start of a sentence. This gives us a clue about which words we can use. Perhaps and maybe are both usually at the start of a sentence. These words both suggest less certainty than the previous sentence. Hoo-yah! Very well done if you got any of those questions right. If you are looking for any more videos just like this one, make sure you head to the Twinkl website to check them out. See you next time.